Hi, I am so happy to make this video today. You remember yesterday I put a video online at 9:52 and this is what my prediction was here at 9:52. Here you see also the hour. I said the price would go down towards this trend line and it did. Um, the price was moving pretty slowly yesterday, but really steady down. So in 11 hours, the target was hit. This is what it would have looked like on the 15 minutes chart. So if you could have entered around here or even around here at this spike, it would have been great for you. You could have easily made 100 pips within one day um, without a large margin, which is usually needed for Forex trading. This is the 4 hour chart, and we would have needed to start our trade around here and put the take profit 100 pips lower, and it would have been taken within the same day. If you want to stay updated and see what other opportunities there are on this market and specifically with this pair GBP yen, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.